Hello friends, welcome back to another video, and today we'll talk about India versus South Africa series. We'll do preview of it. So let's start the video. So first of all, we'll start from the stats of India versus South Africa. So basically 7 series had been played between India and South Africa in South Africa, and 6 of them have been won by South Africa and one have been drawn by India under the captaincy of Rahul Dravid in 2010. And the last series which India played in South Africa was in 2018, and which India lost by I think 2-1. Three test match series was there and India lost that series. At the last test match, India won that test match, and India lose that series. So we'll talk about that also, and first of all we'll talk about that series performers. So if we talk about batting at that in that series of 2018, in that Virat Kohli scored 286 runs with the strike rate of 60 strike rate and 286 run. Phenomenal batting Virat Kohli has done. And if we look, he scored 100 and 150 in this 286 runs, and his batting was phenomenal, class batting. No one was his close. And if we look at the other batters, then no from India, no one has scored 100 plus runs except Chiteshwar Pujara. He also scored 110 runs, but not good. So only one man army as always. Virat only scored 286 runs. And if we talk about bowling performance, then Jasprit Bumrah took 14 wickets. That series was his debut series, and he impresses us a lot with his bowling performance. He took 14 wickets, and Mohammad Shami took 15 wickets. He also impresses us a lot that the kind of swing he make the ball, the batsman. So Mohammad Shami has taken 15 wickets. So basically, India was, according to bowling unit, India was strong. India can take 20 wickets, but at batting, we are still struggling at middle order. You can see Virat has not scored century yet from past 3 years. Past Virat has not scored a century. Of course, Chiteshwar Pujara and Rahane has not looked in that kind of form. Only opening partnership has been doing very well. Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill. Then Shubman Gill got injured. Then in England, KL Rahul was phenomenal, and then KL Rahul got injured, and Mayank got a chance, and he was very impressive in New Zealand series. So there was a quite changes of opening partnerships of India. If we look after the 2018 India versus South Africa Test series, so first of all we'll talk about India playing 11. For my playing 11 will be, opening will be done by Mayank Agarwal and KL Rahul. Then at 3, Chiteshwar Pujara. At 4, I think Virat, of course. At 5, there will be a big fight between Ajinkya Rahane and Shreyas Iyer. So there will be a big fight between them, but I think Shreyas Iyer should be there because he was very impressive in New Zealand series as well. He scored 100 in that series, and I don't think Ajinkya Rahane was in his form. He should be given rest at least, I think so, because if we dropped Shreyas, we can't do justice with him also, and we can't do justice with Ajinkya also. So I think we should go with Shreyas. At 6, I think Rishabh Pant. At 7, I think Shardul, yeah. At 7, Shardul. At 8, Ashwin. at 9 Bumrah, at 10 Shami, and 11 Siraj. So this will be my playing 11 for first test century in Boxing Day test match. India's playing 11 will be this form, I think. And if we look at South Africa, then I think they are missing some of the few cricketing legends, in past series in 2018, AB de Villiers, Hashim Amla, Fab du Plessis, Dale Steyn were playing, and now they are not there. They all have been retired from the Test cricket, of course, all forms of cricket. But hopefully, they will grow this team and they will bring a transition. So, my 11 for the South Africa will be Dane Alger, Aden Merkin, Rassie Verdusen, Kyle Verween, then De Kock, Quinton de Kock, then Bumama, Wilvan, Keshav. There will be a fight between Keshav and Marcus Harris. So I think Keshav should be there. And then, Keshav and Marco Jason. And I think Keshav should be there because Keshav has impressed us in, if we see South Africa matches, then Keshav has impressed us, and then Rabada and Lungi Nuri. So this will be my playing 11 for South Africa. So guys, comment down your playing 11. And now it's time for prediction. So my prediction will be highest run scorer of this series will be Shreyas Iyer. My prediction is Shreyas Iyer will be the highest run scorer of this series, and highest wicket taker will be Mohammad Siraj. I think Siraj will be the highest leading wicket taker of India versus South Africa series. And then we'll talk about this series result. So I think India will gonna win this series by 2-1 or 2-0 if drawn any test match. So I think 2-1 will be the best. India will win this series by 2-1. My prediction is this. And if we look at weather, then on Sunday, means today, it's showing that 60% of rain is there. Means I think second and a half and third session will be washed out, 23 degrees Celsius, and on Monday 100% rain is showing. So I think full day will be washed out of this rain. And then Tuesday and Wednesday is sunny days, so hopefully we'll get to see play in on these 2 days full. And then on last fifth day, 27% rain is showing, and 70 degrees Celsius is showing. So I think in last as of now it is showing that last session will be washed out at day 5. So I think this test match will be drawn because of weather, because of rain. I don't think it will be one side match. I think it will be drawn. This test match will be drawn. My prediction is this test match will be drawn, and hopefully let's see what the results come. And now if we talk about fantasy 11, my fantasy 11 will be I have taken 2 wicket keepers, Quinton de Kock and Rishabh Pant. And then at batsman I have taken Virat Kohli, KL Rahul, Shreyas Iyer, and from South Africa I have taken Ravi Verdusen and Adam Markin. And then in all-rounders I have taken Ashwin, and then bowlers Shami, Bumrah and Rabada. So this is my fantasy 11 for first test match India versus South Africa. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please give a like, share, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you soon.